Good morning. This is Shreya Tripathi. So today we will start chapter 1 improvement in food resources part topic 2 which is in my part 2. So let's start. There is growing need for food resources all over the world to feed the rapidly increasing human population. Global population has already reached 7 billion mark in 2011. One in every seven person is believed to be hungry and many more undernourished. Our country with over 1.23 billion population is the second most populous country in the world. If present growth rate continues by the year 2020, Indian population will rise over 1.34 billion, even more than the population of China. At least more than quarter of a billion tons, about 300 million tons of grains will be needed every year to feed so many people. There can be two ways of increasing the yield. First, farming on more land, and second, development and use of improved high yield varieties of crops. Farming on more land is not possible because our land is already intensively cultivated. Therefore, the only choice left in the use of high yield varieties of crops and better agricultural practices. Due to sincere efforts of our agricultural scientists, our country has witnessed a four-time increase in the population of food grains from 1960 to 2004 with only 25% increase in cultivable land area. The first revolution, now we will study about revolution. The first revolution was green revolution. Great increase in the production of food grains is called green revolution. Father of green revolution is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Our second production was of oil, which is also known as yellow revolution. Our third production was of fish, which is also known as blue revolution. Our fourth production was of milk, which is also known as white revolution. And now our scientists are working to achieve golden revolution, which is increased production of pulses. Green revolution was achieved by adopting following three approach: improvement in crop variety, that is selecting seed variety for planting. Second is management of crop production, that is nourishing the crop plants. Third is management of crop production, that is protection of growing and harvesting crops from less. Now we will know about improvement in food resources by this flowchart. As you can see here, improvement in crop yield. First is crop variety improvement. The methods of it are hybridization and genetic manipulation. In this, second parts included purposes, which is as follows: higher yield, improved quality, biotic and abiotic resistance, early man- maturation, wider adaptability, desirable economic characters. Next comes management of crop production. It includes three: nu- nutrient management, which has micronutrients and macronutrients, and manures and fertilizers. Next is irrigation, which includes uh, canals, tanks, wells, etc. Next comes cropping patterns, which has mixed cropping, intercropping, and crop rotation. Third one is crop protection management. Crop protection in the field against weeds, insects, and pests. Protection during storage against biotic and abiotic factors. This is the chart which can help you in the exams. So, If you like, you can take the screenshot if of it for your as if your requirement. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.